That's all you want to say to Jose Cruz?
Yes, or say I love him. Can I play a game for Nari?
With Anari?
Yes, with my brother. He my brother, Mama.
He is my brother.
I'll play this away for you. I put on the Spanish game.
The Spanish game?
Spanish game.
Ask Jose how to speak Spanish. He doesn't know how to speak Spanish.
Mommy, can Mommy, can I write with Nari?
Uno. Is that what you say?
Can I write Mama and Nari?
Yeah. Talk to Jose Cruz first.
Hi, Jose Cruz.
What did you eat for lunch?
I eat oatmeal
And what else?
and macaroni cheese.
And what else?
French fries.
You don't know what she had for lunch.
And macaroni cheese. And fish fries. And
How old are you?
she only have oatmeal for breakfast. I'm 4.
You're 4?
Can I write with you?
Anari, how old are you?
4. I'm 5.
Asaria, you are 2.
2.
Yes.
Say
Bye, Jose Cruz.
Bye, Jose Cruz.
We miss you.
We miss you.
We love you.
Wait, Mommy. Uno fácil, uno cat.
What is that?
Spanish. Mommy, can I wait? No, you won't say it.
Are you crying?
No.
Are you whining?
No.
Okay. Bye, Jose Cruz.
Bye, Jose Cruz.